Question number 4. Vector I and J are vector parallel to x-axis and y-axis respectively. A is this, B is this, C is this. Find the exact value of A plus C. So A plus C, 2, 3 plus 3, 11. So we have the 5, 14. Okay, so the magnitude of A plus C will be the 5 square plus 14 square. Okay, so we have the 5 square plus 14 square, 221. So square root of 221. So square root answer can't be simplified anymore. So this will be the answer, exact value. So the value of constant M, so A plus MB parallel to J. So A plus MB, A is 2, 3, B is 1, negative 5, and then it is parallel to J. Okay, so this is 2 plus M, 3 minus 5M. So we have the J here, Kj plus 0I. So we know that the 2 plus M equal to 0, M equal to negative 2. So NA minus B equal to C, N times 2, 3 minus 1, negative 5 equal to 3, 1, 3, 11. So we have 2N minus 1 equal to 3, 3N minus negative 5, which is plus 5 equal to 11. So from here we get either one, we will get N equal to 2. So, okay. So parallel to J, 13J, parallel to J. Yes.